Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the nadir, the bottom center of your equirectangular video, because the tripod sits there. Open the stitched video and export a clean, high-res frame with the tripod visible. Duplicate it as your working layer so you never lose the original. Next, draw a circular mask around the tripod footprint and expand it slightly. This defines the repair zone. Once done, save that masked patch as a separate file for planar editing in an image editor or specialized nadir tool. Now convert that masked nadir patch to a planar projection so standard image tools behave predictably. Use content-aware fill first to generate a base, then refine with clone stamp and patch tools to rebuild ground texture and small details. Work in multiple passes, fix large shapes, then add texture and grain, and match color and lighting using levels or curves. Make sure edges are feathered to avoid hard seams. Once satisfied, save the repaired patch at the original resolution. Reproject the edited planar patch back into the equirectangular spherical coordinates and replace the original nadir region in your video file. Render a short preview and scrub through frames to confirm the repair holds during motion. You want no visible seams or shifting texture. If you see artifacts, make sure the patch matches motion and parallax. Apply a motion-tracked clean plate or use a spherical-aware healing tool to stabilize the repair. One key tip: if parallax causes ghosting, generate a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.